but they're currently at $2.33 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $10 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 329.18% increase. Hey guys, I'm sorry, but you get T-shirt Dwayne today. Was running around New York City all weekend, which is where I don't live anymore, and just tired, so I'm not gonna change tonight, but I just want to knock this out real quick. So we know that we want to look at the stocks on our watch list for the past week. We know we start with the SPY, the Dow, and the NASDAQ to see how the market was moving overall. And we see that on the SPY, it moved up for its third week in a row. It dropped a few weeks, but it ended this week back where it was when it started dropping those previous weeks. The Dow, pretty much the same thing. Not where the body of the candle was, but at the high points where it was this week, ended about there. And the NASDAQ still hasn't made up the ground, but it was a positive week, although only slightly positive. So we start our watch list off with CSG Systems. We noticed that it moved up 3 weeks, had a negative week, then a positive week, a long candle here, 2 sideways weeks, almost dojis. Now, this stock has an earnings report dropping on October 30th or later that week. And we know an earnings report is like a report card, but for companies instead of kids. If it comes out good, the stock price can drop. If it comes out good, the stock price can rise dramatically. If it comes out bad, it can drop dramatically. And so we want to beware of buying things just before earnings. But this is until October 30th. So we have some time. This company is a 2-star. I rate my companies in tiers. 3 stars, the most fundamentally sound. 2 is beneath that. 1 is the least fundamentally sound, but still fundamentally sound enough to be on the watch list. This is a 2-star. Currently at $47.15. Yahoo analysts estimate it can move up to $63.78 in the next 12 months. If it does, that'll be a 35.27% increase. We have Concentrix Corporation. This is no star. It's not fundamentally sound enough to be on the watch list. But they have an earnings report dropping September 25th or later that week. Currently at $69.95. Yahoo analysts believe they can move up to $88.20 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 26.09% increase. Next, we have RCI Hospitality. Interesting company. Manage strip clubs and restaurants. They are a 3-star. Currently at $46.34. Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $98 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 111.48% increase. Next, we have Dine Brands. That's Applebee's and IHOP. They also are no star. They have an earnings report dropping on October 30th or later that week. Currently at $32.87 a share. Yahoo analysts believe they can move up to $44.43 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 35.17% increase. We have Information Services Group. They're also a no star. They have an earnings report dropping October 31st or later that week. They're currently at $3.40 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate that they can move up to $6.08 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 78.82% increase. We have Five Below. They are a 3-star. Currently, they have a earnings report dropping on August 28th, which is a few days from now. And they're at $82.46. And Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $108.11 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 31.11% increase. We have Papa John's Pizza Store. They are a no star once again. They have an earnings report dropping on October 31st or later that week. They're currently at $45.93. Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $57.33 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 24.82% increase. And they've been moving up the last 3 weeks. The last one, well, 3 weeks prior to last week. Last week was a doji, but only slight moves. We have Progeny Inc. They are a 1-star. They have an earnings report dropping on November 5th or later that week. They're currently at $21.80 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $30.13 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 37.71% increase. We have ODP Corporation. They are a 1-star. They have an earnings report dropping on November 6th or later that week. They had a positive week, the nice move the prior week, just positive this last week, but not much of a move. They're currently at $29.48. Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $50.23 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 70.39% increase. We have Myers Industries. They are a 2-star. They have an earnings report dropping on October 30th or later that week. They moved up like 3 weeks, moved down 2. They moved up 2 more these last 2 weeks. They're currently at $15.13 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate they can move up to $27 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 78.45% increase. We have Lululemon. They are a 3-star. They have an earnings report dropping in a few days, August 29th. They're currently at $268.55 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $348.71 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 29.85% increase. We have W&T Offshore, good old American Oil. They have an earnings report dropping on November 5th or later that week. They are a no star, but they're currently at $2.33 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $10 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 329.18% increase. We have Patriot Investments. They are a 2-star. They have an earnings report dropping November 5th or later that week. They're currently at $11.87 a share, and Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $18.13 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 52.74% increase. We have Tootsie Roll Industries. They make the Tootsie Roll candy as well as many other candies. They are a 2-star. They have an earnings report dropping October 23rd or later that week. They're currently at $28.93 a share. Yahoo analysts don't have an estimate, but my estimate based on P/E ratio is that they can move up to $41.98 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 45.11% increase. We have Yum China Holdings. And Yum China Holdings is the Chinese version of Yum Brands. And Yum Brands is KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. So Yum China Holdings is KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell in China, as well as other restaurants. They're 1-star. They have an earnings report dropping October 29th or later that week. They're currently at $33.37 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $45.53 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 36.44% increase. We have Ulta Beauty Supply, or now they're Ulta Beauty Inc. Name changed a little while ago. They are currently at, they're a 3-star. Earnings report dropping in a few days, August 29th. They are currently at $378.65 a share. And Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $460.64 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 21.65% increase. We have LKQ Corporation. They are a 2-star. They have an earnings report dropping on October 24th. Moved up the last 2 weeks in a row. They're currently at $42.63. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $55.03 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 29.09% increase. Now, I just bought an options contract on this stock last week, and it's already up 50% because it moved up pretty nicely last week. We have St. Microelectronics. They are a 2-star, having earnings report dropping on October 24th or later that week. They were positive 3 weeks in a row. They currently at $31.63. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $41.47 in the next 12 months. If they do, that's a 31.11% increase. We have Ecovist Inc. They are a 2-star. They have an earnings report dropping October 31st or later that week. And they're currently at $6.89 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $10.21 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 48.19% increase. We have Mer Group. They are a 1-star. They have an earnings report dropping October 23rd or later that week. They're currently at $102.80 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $152.25 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 48.10% increase. Next, we have LPL Financial. They are a 1-star. They have an earnings report dropping on October 24th or later that week. Notice they had one positive week. The next week really jumped up. And last week was another slightly positive week. They're currently at $223.82 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $285.33 in the next 12 months. If they do, that'll be a 27.48% increase. Then we have Stellantis, car manufacturer. They are a 2-star. They've moved up the last 2 weeks. They're currently at $16.80 a share. Yahoo analysts estimate them moving up to $24.38 in the next 12 months. If they do that, it will be a 45.12% increase. So that's it for this week's winning stocks, guys. You can look on the candlestick charts at those that are mentioned in here, and you want to see which ones continue to climb up on Monday, and that may be your opportunity to get into some good stocks. In any event, you guys have a great night, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video.